ICPC is a race against time.
A wrong answer can cost you 20 minutes of penalty.
No second chances, absolutely no room for error.
And as first semester students competing against senior teams from top colleges, we got the ultimate reality check. Hi, I am Jothin.
I am Geetansh Goyal,
I am Ravi Sharma.
and we are all first year students at Newton School of Technology, SVYASA University.
A few weeks ago, we competed in ICPC Amritapuri Regionals. It's one of the most toughest, the most competitive coding competitions in the world. We are one of the few first year teams to qualify for ICPC this year.
Most teams you see at ICPC are second, third and final year teams. People who have competed in ICPC before, and then there was us, first years, but we have qualified in our first attempt.
And we made it to the top 250 and our final rank was 228.
Which honestly, we are really proud of it. It was solid debut. But what meant more was just being there, in the same room, competing alongside some of the best coders in the entire country.
ICPC is the Olympics of competitive programming. It began as a small inter-college programming contest in the US. It started in 1977 and slowly evolved into the world's most prestigious competitive programming competition. Every year, 50,000 plus college teams from 100 plus countries participate in ICPC.
All the top tech institutes of the world, MIT, Stanford, Harvard, and Indian institutes like IITs, IIITs, BITS, and NIT, take it very seriously. It's a matter of bragging rights and institution pride.
In India alone, 10,000 teams register for the prelims. 90% of the teams who even enter the prelims get eliminated.
This time, about 50 teams from India qualified for the next round, Asia West. One of our senior teams from NSC's Auru campus also made it to the next level.
And on average, about 10 to 15 Asia West teams make it to the World Finals every year, which is the final showdown and decides who wins the gold and announces themselves as the best coding team in the world.
So this time, our road to World Finals ended at Regionals itself.
For our first attempt, beating so many talented teams at regionals is something we are genuinely proud of. But it wouldn't be possible without the help of our mentors.
But first, let's break down what makes ICPC different from every other coding contest and why Mang companies value it so much for the software roles they actually hire for.
In ICPC, each team has 3 team members and all team members share the same computer during the contest. The duration of the contest is 5 hours with 8 to 12 hard coding problems to solve. In each problem, a scenario is given and we have to come up with the best possible solution to make sure that it runs within the given time limits. And since it's 3 people sharing a system, team collaboration is really important. We need to collectively work on it and decide who does the coding, who focuses on the logic, and who looks for possible errors.
And this is really where CP gets interesting. You are judged not only on how many problems you solve, but also on how long you take to solve those set of problems. For every wrong submission, you get a 20 minutes penalty, and penalties can heavily impact your final position. A single rushed mistake can cost you several ranks on the leaderboard. And the best coders know how to balance all of this: speed, accuracy, and team coordination under the time pressure.
Most won't know this, but ICPC experience impact directly to engineering success as well. These technical interview test one thing: can you solve hard programming problem under a lot of pressure? And the competitive programmers do exactly that.
You learn to break problems down naturally, you visualize the solution before writing code, and you write clean code that actually works without needing much debugging.
The muscle you build coding in a competitive environment with the added pressure of time makes you perfect for the big tech production environments. You're handling petabytes of data worth billions, and the margin for error is razor thin. So when your recruiters see ICPC in your CV, you will have some serious leverage.
I first learned about competitive coding through NSC's Go for Gold bootcamp. It is an initiative by NSC and its co-founder Siddharth sir, with the aim of helping India secure its first gold medal in ICPC. I participated in the bootcamp a few weeks before I joined NST. That's where I met Ashwin sir, who is the head of academics here at NST SVYASA. I found out that he was an ICPC world finalist himself, which puts him in the top 0.1% coders of the country. After I joined NST, he and the other faculties here guided and inspired us a lot to take part in ICPC.
Next year, Asia West is the target. Doing that will be not easy, but we will have to improve a lot and take part in many more contests.
Teams that make it to Asia West typically maintain their accuracy rates above 90% on all their submissions. We have to get to that level of performance.
World Final is the ultimate dream. We are first years now, we have 3 more attempts. Let's see where this journey takes us.